What are the causes of constant phlegm and mucus in your throat? How to get rid of phlegm and mucus? Watch this video to learn how to clear mucus and congestion. Phlegm is a type of mucus produced in the lungs and lower respiratory tract. It is most visible when a person is critically ill or has a long-term health problem. Even when an individual is well, mucus forms a protective covering in certain areas of the body. Mucus helps to keep these areas moist and protects them from invaders, such as viruses and bacteria. Although some mucus is essential for a healthy body, too much can be painful. Excess may be caused by infections, such as the common cold or flu, allergies, irritation of the nose, throat, or lungs, digestive conditions, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, smoking tobacco products, lung diseases, such as pneumonia, lung cancer, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Dear viewers, now we will show you how to get rid of phlegm and mucus. But before we move on, please like and share the video, so that your family and friends can also learn about this. Taking the following actions can help to eliminate excess mucus and phlegm. Drinking plenty of fluids. To keep mucus thin, the body needs to remain hydrated. When a person has a cold, drinking plenty of fluids will help thin the mucus and drain the sinuses. Keeping the air moist. When the nose and throat are irritated, more mucus forms as a lubricant. A cool mist humidifier in the bedroom will help you sleep better, keep your nose clear, and avoid a sore throat. Keeping the head elevated. When the buildup of mucus is particularly bothersome, it may help to sleep propped up on a few pillows or in a reclining chair. Lying flat can increase discomfort, because it may feel as though mucus is collecting at the back of the throat. Using a saline nasal spray or rinse. Mucus and allergens may be removed from the nose and sinuses with a saline spray or irrigator. When irrigating, look for sterile sprays that only contain sodium chloride, and make sure to use sterile or distilled water. Eating plenty of fruit. One study found that a diet rich in fiber from fruit, and possibly soy, may lead to fewer respiratory problems linked to phlegm. Avoiding irritants. The nose, mouth, and lower airways may be irritated by chemicals, fragrances, and emissions. As a result, the body produces more mucus. Avoiding foods that cause acid reflux. Acid reflux can lead to an increase in phlegm and mucus. People who are susceptible to heartburn should avoid trigger foods and seek medical advice about how to treat their condition. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys liked my video, please let me know in the comments section for more queries. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for next videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.